Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into 3D printing, whether for hobby projects, prototyping, or professional designs, then you know how important it is to pick the right 3D printer. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026. We'll look at everything: speed, accuracy, features, multicolor printing, and which printer gives you the best value for your money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So, let's get started. Number 1. FlashForge AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer. This printer is all about speed and precision. CoreXY ensures smooth movement for sharper details, and the one-click leveling makes setup simple, even for beginners. For multicolor prints, the AD5X is excellent. You can create prototypes, toys, or artistic projects with vibrant, accurate colors. CoreXY high-speed design, up to 600 millimeters per second. One-click auto-leveling for easy setup. Direct drive extruder heats up to 300 degrees Celsius. Build volume is 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters. Pros: ultra-fast printing speeds, accurate multicolor prints, beginner-friendly setup. Cons: slightly pricey. Build volume may be limiting for larger projects. Ideal if you're a designer creating miniature models, action figures, or engineering prototypes. Number 2. Creality K2 SE 3D Printer. The K2 SE is perfect for small spaces like apartments or desks. Vibration control ensures your prints stay smooth even at higher speeds. Its multicolor capability allows creative designs, from prototypes to decorative pieces. Auto-leveling makes setup faster, and it's easy to maintain. Supports multicolor CFS printing, 500 millimeters per second high-speed printing, auto-leveling and vibration control. Compact desktop size, 220 by 215 by 245 millimeters. Pros: compact and space-saving, good multicolor support, stable vibration-free prints. Cons: slower than the AD5X, some assembly required. Great for hobbyists or designers with limited space who want professional quality prints without investing in a large CoreXY printer. Number 3. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE 3D Printer. The Ender 3 V3 SE is reliable and beginner-friendly. CR Touch auto-leveling ensures accuracy, while the dual-axis design reduces wobbling, producing consistent prints. The auto-load filament saves time and makes long prints stress-free. Perfect for beginners who want a low-maintenance experience. 250 millimeters per second FDM printing, CR Touch auto-leveling, Sprite direct extruder with auto-load filament, dual Z-axis and Y-axis stability. Build size is 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches. Pros: consistent, reliable prints. Auto-load filament feature, affordable yet high quality. Cons: slower compared to premium printers, smaller build volume. Perfect for hobbyists starting with FDM printing or educators teaching 3D printing basics. Number 4. FlashForge AD5X Multi-Material 3D Printer. This version of the AD5X is ideal for creative makers. The 4-color printing opens up possibilities for artistic projects or complex prototypes. Auto-calibration ensures smooth, consistent prints every time. Supports 4-color printing, 600 millimeters per second high speed, full auto-calibration with 0.4 and 0.6 millimeter nozzles, designed for DIY creative projects. Pros: multi-material and multi-color capability, fast printing, excellent for complex designs. Cons: a slight learning curve for beginners. Perfect for designers or small businesses producing multicolor prototypes, cosplay accessories, or decorative objects. Number 5. FlashForge ADM Pro 3D Printer. The ADM Pro is for professional and serious hobbyist use. With flexible nozzle options, CoreXY precision, and chamber cooling, it handles high-detailed prints efficiently. Quiet operation means it's perfect for home or office use. 600 millimeters per second high-speed printing, CoreXY with auxiliary chamber cooling, full auto calibration with 0.4 and 0.6 millimeter nozzles, ultra quiet, less than 50 decibels. Pros: fast, precise, and quiet. Flexible nozzle options, high-end CoreXY performance. Cons: high cost and slightly complex for total beginners. Ideal for small businesses or advanced makers needing high-quality, precise prints for prototypes or detailed models. There you have it, the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026. Each printer has its strengths: speed, precision, multicolor capability, or budget friendliness. The key is to match the printer to your needs and budget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which 3D printer you'd choose and what you'd print first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tech review.